safe, and secure. My needs are always met with ease and abundance. I trust the process of life to support and guide me. I am deeply connected to the earth and its energy. Stability and strength are the foundation of my life. I release fear and embrace trust. My body is my home, and I treat it with respect. I am rooted in the present moment. I have the right to take up space and exist freely. My roots run deep, anchoring me to my authentic self. I embrace my creativity and sensuality. My emotions flow freely, and I honor them without judgment. I am open to pleasure and joy in all forms. I am in tune with my desires, and I follow them with confidence. Creativity flows through me effortlessly. I honor the sacred energy of my body. I am worthy of love, passion, and fulfillment. My relationships are healthy, balanced, and nurturing. I create my life with intention and passion. I trust my instincts and allow them to guide me. I am powerful, confident, and radiant. My personal power grows with every action I take. I am the architect of my own destiny. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I honor my boundaries and protect my energy. I radiate strength, courage, and self-worth. I release all doubts and embrace self-belief. My inner fire burns brightly and inspires others. I am in control of my own life and choices. I am worthy of respect, love, and abundance. I am the captain of my fate and the master of my soul. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is free from pain and I radiate compassion. I forgive myself and others, allowing my heart to heal. Love flows freely to and from me. I am deeply connected to all living beings. My heart is full of gratitude and joy. I trust the wisdom of my heart to guide me. I release all barriers to love and embrace its infinite power. I am a beacon of kindness, empathy, and peace. Love is my guiding force, and I embody it fully. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. My voice matters, and my words have power. I express myself authentically and without fear. I listen deeply to my inner voice and trust its wisdom. I communicate with honesty, kindness, and grace. My truth is valid and I share it freely. Creativity and self-expression flow through me effortlessly. I release all blocks to my authentic communication. I honor the power of silence and mindful speech. I am in harmony with my thoughts, words, and actions. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. My mind is clear, focused, and receptive. I see the truth in every situation with clarity. I am connected to my higher self and divine guidance. I trust the visions and insights that come to me. My intuition leads me to exactly where I need to be. I am in tune with the energy and wisdom of the universe. My thoughts are peaceful, balanced, and inspired. I release doubt and trust my inner knowing. I see beyond the physical and understand deeper truths. I am connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe. My spirit is limitless, and I trust the divine plan. I release all attachment and embrace divine flow. I am one with all that is. My higher self guides me with clarity and love. I am open to divine inspiration and enlightenment. I trust the unfolding of my spiritual journey. I am in harmony with the universe and my highest purpose. I am a channel for divine light and wisdom. My connection to the universe is strong, peaceful, and eternal.